Maintaining energy throughout the workday is critical because lack of energy can lead to decreased productivity, increased accidents, and injuries on the job. Maintaining energy can help you to remain focused and attentive to your tasks. When you are tired, it is more difficult to concentrate on the task at hand, leading to a higher risk of errors or accidents. Additionally, being alert and energized can help you to react more quickly to any unexpected hazards that may arise during your workday. In 2019, over 280,000 non-fatal workplace injuries and illnesses were caused by overexertion and bodily reaction, such as lifting, carrying, pushing, and pulling objects. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial to maintaining energy levels. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause fatigue and affect your cognitive abilities. Drink water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Take breaks. Taking short, frequent breaks can help you recharge and maintain your focus. Consider taking a 5 to 10-minute break every hour. Move around. Sitting for extended periods can cause fatigue. Get up and move around every hour, even if it is just a stretch. Eat nutritious meals. A healthy diet can provide you with the energy and nutrients you need to stay focused and productive. Choose whole grains, lean protein, and plenty of fruits and vegetables.